Hi everyone, it's your favorite tuber, A-Tube. I'm back with another Super Mario Bros. 64 video. So this is the second level, I believe. Yeah. Oh, sorry. Oh. Why the heck is there two? Whatever. Why is there three? Four? Okay then. Get up. Nope. 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 Ah. There's really nothing for me to talk about. I just need to focus, like, really. Yes! Level 2 done. So I'm probably gonna do one more and then I'll be set for this video. Okay, whatever. Go, go, go. Oh, nope, I knew it. You know, that's alright. Jeez. I think I'm getting sick. No. Okay, whatever. Jeez. Oh my god. I'm gonna title this video freaking Sneeze Fest. Yes. Alright, so I'm gonna end the episode here. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, drop a like. Do whatever you gotta do to make this channel grow. And as always, I'll see you guys later. Goodbye, and hope you enjoyed my sneezing fest. And peace.